Hi everybody, it's Jeff and Nikki from Nightshade Nook Decor. So we are getting ready to oil up another new cutting board. And we are outside, and I turned on my do not disturb, but my do not disturb said they don't care if I want them to be disturbed or not. I turned it on. There we go. So this is, I guess we are prepping it for the Irish Festival, which is in a few weeks now. I felt like we've had all this time, and now we're getting up there.
Only got 28 days or something like that.
28 days does not seem like enough. That's like you can pump out a few more coasters. I can do signs until the day of, ish. Ish. If we don't epoxy any of them. Cutting boards, yeah, you could do more cutting boards. I'm sorry, totally off subject. I started thinking of the time. So this is, Jeff is still calling this Nightshade Nook Green cutting board. This is the My Spring colors, which is the shiny malachite, the mermaid dust, and the charcoal black. And then we've also, because you know we've got the CNC router, carved in shamrocks in opposite corners, which I think they turned out really, really cool. And then Jeff filled them with epoxy. So they actually look like little tattooed shamrocks on the board. They're kind of neat. And we're outside again because, well, A, it's a beautiful day, and B, Jeff's...
Jay. Jay.
I don't know who Jay is. I called you Jay, not James.
Jay, you called me.
Jay. Well, you know, the E just wasn't coming to me.
Okay.
I was busy. I was working. I was doing stuff.
You were working.
Wow. Did y'all hear that? I've been working all day long. And then he's like, oh, I'm ready to do the board. I'm in the middle of doing stuff. So Jeff sprayed lacquer in the garage, so we have to be outside. Well, he has to be outside. I was happily using the CNC router and playing with the new website, which, by the way, the new website has been launched. How many times have I said that?
I know, right? For a while, it was like once a week.
It was like a constant thing. New website, new website. I like this one better, though. This one has a lot more custom features on it. So there's actually areas. It probably won't be fully loaded. You probably won't see it until Monday. It's live now, like I can see it. It'll take a little while for the domain to settle from the old website onto the new one. But you can custom order cutting boards, coasters, door hangers, wood plaques, whatever. It's all in there, and even has little drop downs so you can pick certain features of whatever it is you want to custom order and put a deposit. I like it.
Yep.
It took a long time to do, but that's also because I would get to the point where I would get frustrated and I'd be like, okay, I'm done playing web developer.
Let's go back to woodworking.
Yep. That was pretty much how I was doing it. This is a really pretty board, though. I like the way this turned out.
Yeah, those shamrocks look sharp.
They do. I like the shamrockiness. Oh, it's better now that I don't have the glare. See, I needed to stand over here.
Oh, yeah.
That's what it is. I kept having the glare from the sun.
Yeah, not oil.
Right. And I couldn't get a good shot of what the cutting board looked like. Oh, Clancy's on the move. Must be a squirrel or something happening.
Squirrels are afoot.
Or the neighbor's cat. Our neighbor's cat keeps hopping over our fence and attacking the birds. It's not cool. I'm happy with the way this came out.
What's not cool about it is the neighbor's cat kills a bird, leaves it in the yard, and then Clancy picks up the dead bird, brings it in the house, and drops it on the carpet. That's what's not cool about it.
Which Clancy, there's no way Clancy is killing any birds. Clancy is not a killer.
He's just picking up the scraps. He's like, ooh, look what I got. Look what I found.
Clancy's biggest thing is when there's a ton of birds, which I think there's a ton now. Well, not anymore.
No,
there were a bunch.
I just scared him.
When there's a bunch sitting on the grass underneath the feeder, he likes to run up and like watch them all fly. That's the extent of what he does. He doesn't even attempt to like catch them or anything.
No.
He just wants to watch them all fly.
Yeah, he just wants them to scatter.
Squirrels, on the other hand. Squirrels, he wants nothing in this yard. No squirrels.
He wants to get a squirrel and shake it up.
He's never going to catch a squirrel.
Nope.
So there's a day in our life. I think we barely talked about this beautiful cutting board, which is the whole reason we're here. I'm sorry, I was gone for a few days, so I feel like I have so much catch up to do. So do we have any more cutting boards that you...
No, not right this minute, no.
So we need to get on that.
Yeah, I need to look see.
Are we taking a table with us?
Yeah.
Is this vaulted maple table going?
I think it's done. I have to put together that
I'm aware.
track.
True track.
True track.
All right, so now we're both just kind of mindlessly babbling at you guys. Well, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and share our videos. I will probably be posting this up on the website, but we are definitely bringing it to the Barry's Old School Irish Festival. And Tom, I remember to tag you.
Hey, Tom.
You guys have a great day. Thanks.